Hello students, today we are going to continue chapter 1 of big data. In that I am going to cover big data analytics, process flow of big data analytics, what are the objectives of big data analytics, and some real life examples for big data analytics, as well as we also cover applications of big data. Let us start with definition of big data analytics. Big data analytics, it is the complex process of examining or monitoring large and varied data sets or big data for discovering or for finding uncovered information or such as hidden pattern, unknown correlations, market trends and customer preferences that can help for organizations for making business decisions. In another word, big data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing and analyzing large set of data called as big data to discover pattern or find the some patterns, as well as for to fetch the some hidden information that is useful for or helpful for making business decisions. In another word, big data analytics involves examining large amount of data, and data may be multiples of terabytes or exabytes. Means data it is in a large quantity or high volumed data, and that data is not managed by using the traditional database management systems. This is done so as to uncover the hidden patterns, correlations and also to give insights so as to make the proper business decisions. For example, for creating the report for giving answer for the question which advertisement mostly liked by childrens. This is the one of the example for big data analytics. Then in this slide we are going to cover the process flow of big data analytics, or which are the steps are used for performing the big data analytics. First step, to collect the data. Data means related information for that, and we have to store that data into proper way. And then next step, to look at or overlook on that data, and we only analyze the related data to our question, and then we format or we change the format of data, and we have to store data or process data into a readable format, and then that will be helpful for taking the business decision. This is the process flow of big data analytics. First we have to take the data, store it into storage, then next one we have to look at that data, then we process that data and we fetch the specific information from that data, and this information is helpful for taking business decisions. Next point is, what are the objectives of big data analytics? Big data means the data it is in a large volume that will be collected from number of devices or number of, for example, not only electronics devices, we also collect the data from multiple registers or so on too. Here we collect the data from internet, means this is the web data. If we are to taking something decisions related to city, then we collect data from city registers. Then financial data, logistics data, agricultural data, sensor data, so on too. Here there are the objectives. First objective is to extract the data, then next one is data integration, Next, big data computing and data management. Next one is data mining and visualization. Here data extraction means we have to collect the data, large amount of data from various sources. Here sources may be devices or something, maybe registers or so on too. From that, or machines also, from we also take the records from machines. Then we have to integrate that data, we collect related data and we store that data into specific format. Then big data computing and data management means here we use the different tools for data extraction, integration, big data computing, and various tools we used for data mining means there are large amount of data, then we have to mine means we have to extract, we have to take specified or required data from that one, and we create that useful information into proper report or proper format, that is the visualization, or it is in a graph format or it is in a tabular format, that is called as a visualization. Visualization means it is easily understandable format for end users. Then we provide here policies. Policies means rules and regulations for that one, as well as here we provide the privacy and security for that data. Then some real life examples for big data analytics. These are also applications of big data. Big data analytics are used for creating the fraud management reports, which is generally used in banking sector to find the fraud transactions, hacking, unauthorized access to the account, and so on. So this is also used for our Gmail, different types of accounts or some online accounts, or this one. If some accounts hacked by other one, then we have to create a report of that one. The next one example is we create a report, live tracking reports, which is generally used by transport sectors such as Ola, Meru, Uber, as well as we use the Bombay, Mumbai railways also. Also we use the Uber applications, Mega, to track the vehicles, customers request, payment management, emergency alert, and to find the daily needs and revenues, and so on. We also use these live tracking reports in online shopping also. We also track the our request. The next one is example is sales report and future target and goals analysis, which is mostly used by all sectors to analyze their sales. Means there will be a production system, manufacturing factories are there, they also use this one, or online shopping websites are there, or companies are there, they use this analysis for doing analysis for and creating the sales report and generating the future planning for their production also. Used by all sectors to analyze their sales, revenues, and needs of customers, and also used to determine the future target and so on. And this report is helpful for taking future decisions of that business, for that business. Then next one example is creating many reports based on live data, mostly used to manage live data in many entertainment sites, which for example, which movie is mostly liked by customers, or which channel is mostly liked by customers, so on to share market. The next one is real-time Sensex data, etc. For that we use the live data for creating the reports. Then next application or next example is for creating or generate different types of alarms based on different activities, like alarm generated by data center, various notifications, big data analytics examples has been used here. The next one is most useful example, that is Google Analytics reports. Google also takes the report to find the how many users visit a specific site, and from which location the user is from, and from which device the site is accessing, and so on. That report also created by using the or by with the help of big data analytics. Then here different applications are written of applications of big data. First one is healthcare. For here different diagnostic reports are generated with the help of big data analytics. Then manufacturing industry, here production, managing the production, supply chain management, for that, or customer relationship management, for managing this one we use the big data. Telecommunication means here big data is used for finding the reports or creating the different types of reports, which network is mostly customers are used, or so on too. Then different financial applications. Then education, in that education, for example, real example is in this year how many students are like mostly liked the which branch or which side, means commerce, art or science, means mostly like students are mostly like to commerce or science or computer science. Then we have to find out the reports, or we have to create or generate the that type of reports by using the real data or large volume of data. Then entertainment means we create reports related to customer, are really customers are mostly liked which types of movies, and so on. Then customer relationship management means customer, we in future customer will be using which types of products, or so on too. The next one, policy making and public opinion. For taking us some public opinion, we also use the big data. Then the most important application of big data is robotics and human robot interaction. For generating robotics, we use the artificial intelligence, and we have to generate the human brain, and we have to implement that human brain into robotics. So to we this is useful for human, uh, for generating their real life applications, as well as this is helpful for our business also. These are the applications of big data, means the big data have lots of applications. I hope you understood the concept of big data analytics, as well as what are the applications of big data and why the big data is mostly popular and interesting subject. Thank you.